if you are new to my channel, my name is Saklan and I share videos related to entrepreneurship, personal finance, e-commerce and digital marketing. So please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video and comment down below if you have any questions. As 2023 is coming, and in today's video I am going to share with you one of the smartest track you can use to build your income to $10K a month in 2023. So one of the biggest hurdles while I was working online was to choose a smart and easiest way to make at least $10,000 a month. And that was most challenging. Now, when you think $10,000 a month, the first thing in your mind which comes is, how should I get started? In my case, I was more passionate about e-commerce. So I started an e-commerce store and I started building my brand. I started building my brand on Amazon. I started building my brand on different platforms. If you are a good speaker, you can start your YouTube channel on any topic you would like to speak. Before sharing these income streams with you, there are a few things which are very important. The first thing is your passion and interest, and the other thing is your time, your budget, and your resources. Okay, so first thing is Amazon FBA business. If you register on Amazon as a seller, you will be able to list your products on Amazon, and there are plenty of visitors over there. They can check your products, they can check your product reviews, they can check your product price, and if they are interested in your products, they can get your products from there, and you can build your business online. From sitting anywhere in the world, you can build your business online on Amazon. But there are a few things which you need before you get started on Amazon. The first thing is investment. How much investment do you have? If you are going to build your business on Amazon, the main thing is investment. Do you have investment to get products from the brands and ship them to Amazon warehouse, where Amazon will keep them products on their warehouse, and once you get the order, Amazon will ship them direct to your customer. The main thing is your investment. How much investment you have and how much you are going to invest in your Amazon FBA business. What we do is, I pick the products from the suppliers, I pick the products from different suppliers and that have a good price, and I do always check the pricing, what price supplier is offering us and how much it is selling on Amazon. If we have margins above 15%, we just source the products from the supplier and put them in the Amazon warehouse. Once we get the orders, Amazon ship the product to our customer directly. How much skills do you have when you are going to hunt a product? How to hunt a product? You have to hunt a product on Amazon, and you have to find a good suppliers in any country, whether it's in USA, whether it's in Europe, whether it's in China, from where you can get source very easily on a very low margin, and then you can sell it on high margin on Amazon. So if you are getting your product sourced from a good supplier, you can sell them on high margins on Amazon, and that skill is very necessary. In my case, my team is working on the products, they are hunting the products, they are sourcing from the suppliers, and then we ship them out to Amazon warehouse, where once Amazon get our products, they put them in our warehouse. We have to beat the prices on other sellers. Once we do, we get the orders. You have to win the buy box on Amazon to get the orders. So if you are getting good buy box, if you are getting buy box on Amazon, that's mean you are making huge sale. Plenty of traffic is coming on Amazon. There are different sellers over there, but you have to put good prices of your products. Once you get the order, Amazon will ship the products to our customers. You don't need to worry about the product shipping. Amazon is taking care of that. So once you are going to start on Amazon, selection of market is the main thing. US is a big market, UK is big market, Amazon working in Germany as well. So that depends upon you which market you are going to choose. Every market has its own size, and if you are going in US market, maybe there will be a good competition because there are plenty of sellers over there. You have to go in right category, you have to choose the right products because there is plenty of competition over there, there are plenty of sellers over there. So you have to pick good products. That is one way we are making money from Amazon FBA, and that model is called Amazon Wholesale FBA because we are selling the brand products. So Amazon FBA Wholesale is one of the biggest income streams I have been using to grow my monthly income as much as I can. Okay, so second income stream of business I have been using is an agency. The very first challenge comes when you are going to start your agency is getting clients. I have plenty of clients and we do charge them on monthly basis for the services we do provide them. But to make your agency business successful, you will need more clients. More clients mean more revenue. Even if you are able to sign up one client and they can grow to your business to new heights. Do meetings with clients on monthly basis, on a weekly basis. I do brief them on weekly basis, I do brief them on monthly basis, what project is going on, how their work is going on, how we are working on their projects, how we are working on their different things. So that is the main thing when you are going to start your agency business. Second challenge in managing your agency business is managing your staff and projects. But how to scale an agency business? If you have started an agency business, you are getting the clients, you have one or two clients, they are paying you on a monthly basis. But once you are going to scale that business, how to scale this business? For scaling, you will have to put money on your advertisement. Few things you can use to scale your business. You can use email marketing, you can use Google, you can use Facebook, you can use social media marketing. When you are going to scale your business, you have to set your marketing budget, how much you are going to put on Google, how much you are going to put on Facebook, and from where you can get your email marketing list. You can get your email marketing list from your website as well. You can put a sign up form. You can use that sign up form to get emails from visitors, and later you can use these emails for email marketing. Third income stream you can use is to build your e-commerce store, whether it's dropshipping store or it's your brand store. I have started my own Shopify store in 2016, and that is running successfully until now. If you are going to start your own successful business in e-commerce sector, you have to choose from where you can source good products and in which market you are going to sell. If you are going to sell your products in USA, if you are going to products you sell in Australia, you have to check which products are more profitable and from where you can get these products easily. There are plenty of suppliers in China from where you can get your products. AliExpress is one of them and Alibaba is one of them. Dropshipping is easy to scale. There is no inventory hassle. You don't need to worry about inventory. Your supplier will ship the product directly to your customers. Once you have the order, you just need to put the order with the supplier, and supplier will ship the order directly to your customer. So it's easy to scale. There is no inventory involved. You just need to put the order with the supplier, and supplier will ship directly to your customer. But if you have a good amount to invest, you can start building your own brand. You can start scaling your own brand. You can source the products from different countries, and you can put them in your own warehouse in USA, Australia, in which country you are living. And once you get the order, you ship directly to your customer by yourself. In that way, you will be building your own brand. You will be building your own logo. You will be building your own reviews. You will be building your own customer list, and that will be more liable to you. So quick way to make $10,000 a month, I would recommend to start with e-commerce store, and that can be a dropshipping store you can start, and later then you can convert that dropshipping store to your own brand. You can put stock to your own warehouse. You can ship products once you get the order, but that will be your own warehouse, not the supplier warehouse. Let's have the look, the stats of my store. I have started working on that store in 2017 and I scaled that store in 2018. So at the end of year 2018, I have generated $1 million sales from that store. Okay, so last income stream is YouTube. If you are a good speaker, you can start your own YouTube channel. You can start making videos and put the content on YouTube, and you can generate a healthy amount of revenue from YouTube as well. There are few challenges once you are going to start your own YouTube channel. Like growth is very slow. You have to be consistent on YouTube. You have to put the content on YouTube regularly. In any business, YouTube is one of the best content creation service you can use to monetize your audience. If you are in any niche, if you are in any business, YouTube is one of the best content creation service. You can earn money YouTube from ads revenue. You can sell digital products. You can do affiliate marketing, and you can promote your services on YouTube. There are plenty of ways you can monetize your audience from YouTube, and in all of these things your audience will get engaged. You can put all of these services links in description, and once viewer will watch your video, they can check them in description and you can get directly leads from them. But growth is very slow on YouTube. You have to be more consistent on YouTube to create the content. But that is one of the major income streams I have been using to generate passive income. So these are all the income streams I have been using to generate my monthly income. You can use all of these income streams to generate 10K a month in 2023. If you are serious about generating 10K a month, you can start working on one of the income streams, or you can, once you have established a one income stream, you can add multiple income streams to your business as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to make 10K a month in 2023. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you. Bye bye.